Hello, kids! Let's practice reading 2-syllable words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Upo, upo. Upo means sit. Tayo, tayo. Tayo means stand. Tuyo, tuyo. Tuyo. Tuyo means dry. Siya, siya. Siya means him or her. Great job, kids! Are you having fun reading? Please subscribe for more fun reading practice. Now, let's keep going. Laba, naba. Laba means laundry. Sila, sila. Sila means them. Lima, lima means 5. Bili, Bili means buy. What is the correct picture for the word Lima? This one? No. This one? Yes. What is the correct picture for the word upo? This one? Yes. What is the correct picture for the word laba? This one? Yes. Good job. Let's read again. Upo, tayo, tuyo, siya, laba, sila, lima, bili. Great job, kids! Please like and subscribe for more fun reading lessons. See ya!